All right, everybody. Today is October 31st, 2020, and as always, welcome back to Southeast South Dakota. We are not on the farm again today. We are actually out at the Overtsons' place. I filmed these guys last year during their corn harvest, and now I'm back again this year to film them once more. I was at my buddy Jonah's place yesterday on the 30th filming out there by Lake Preston, but now today we're back here down by the farm, and we're checking out how these guys are doing. The Overtsons, they should have about 300 acres left of corn for the year, and then they'll be done with harvest as well. So I'm glad I could get out here and get some drone footage of them combining today. It's getting a little windy, so I'll probably have to get going here, but hopefully we can get some good drone footage for you guys. So without further ado, let's get going. Well, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the Overtsons out combining today at their home place. It was definitely fun filming them, and we got a pretty good amount of footage, I'd say, so I'm gonna run home and edit this. I wanted to thank Jed again for letting me come out here and film them do some harvesting while I have a gap in videos. I really do appreciate it. It gives me something to do, something to post. But now I gotta get back to the farm because we are cutting a tree down. So it looks like maybe next week we might be doing tillage, I don't know. But until then, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.